Well, today for a midwinter bike tour, I found the Montour trail. This is southwest of Pittsburgh in, I believe it's Washington County. I wasn't sure by the maps online and the trail markers which way was which. It looks like the 0 mileage is in Coraopolis over near the airport, and then it goes through where I started, which was 26-mile marker in Hendersonville. And that's where I parked the car. Now I'm probably about 5 or 6 miles west, and the sun is growing low in the sky. I found a little spot here where I can have my picnic. I packed a sandwich and banana, and I'm gonna kind of check out this little stream, which is probably, as I understand, a tributary to Montour Creek. There were some branch trails going off along other creeks and tributaries, and there's a whole system of bicycle trails out here. It's really great. I went off of the Montour bicycle path just for a second because I spotted a drill rig down in the creek valley. There's oil reservoirs, there's the smell of oil, and this is an old-fashioned operation where here's a pump house working away. This is Peacock Cut, where the railroad used to have a tunnel built in 1913. But they say because of all the groundwater, they had to daylight the tunnel, meaning they took the roof off, made it into a kind of a gorge, and still you have rocks falling in. Well, it's been a chilly ride, and as you can see, the sun is disappearing quickly. I've reached my turning point at McDonald, Pennsylvania, and from from the look of the outskirts, it's kind of a town with Confederate flags flying over mobile home trailer parks and guys with their outdoor barbecue and their fishing boat. and their pallets ready to burn in a bonfire, and kind of place right out of a country song. So I'm gonna pack up the camera and just pedal hard back to the car, probably about 10 miles from here, hopefully before that sun dives too far down. I do have a light though, headlight, and there's a tunnel ahead.